dahil grabe po itong movie na to, talagang kabang-abang at dapat mapanood ng lahat. So please watch on both po ngayong April 20.
Thank you, Lian. Congratulations ang husay mo.
Thank you po.
And of course, sabi ko nga, ang swerte niya kasi naging parang screen partner niya ang The Age's Best Actress. Pwede, hindi ko alam kung pwede ikwento. Marami siyang pwede ikwento, pero hindi ko alam kung hanggang saan ang pwede ikwento. Juan Carlos, please.
Hi everyone. Good afternoon sa inyo lahat. Good afternoon. Yes. Thank you for giving us your time for today. Ako nga pala si Juan Carlos, I'm playing the character of Jasper. Di ko alam kung ano yung apelido ni Jasper. Nakalimutan ko na. Pero yun na yun. Thank you.
Pero ang swerte ng si Vivian, meron siyang Jasper. No?
Mas swerte sila. So, ang swerte ni Vivian talaga.
Actually, kala mo kasi wala nang hope eh. Tapos dumating ka. So, diba?
Exactly.
Ang ganda-ganda ng character mo. Thank you, Juan Carlos. At eto na. Tawa ng tawa. Horror to. Joem Bascon! Joem! Ay, ang ganda rin ang role mo dito.
PJ naman. Hindi po sa lahat ng press, maraming salamat sa inyong pagpunta. Siyempre ngayon na lang ulit ako nakakita ng ganitong karami na press na mag-host ng ating press con. Yes. So, nasanay tayo na medyo unti-unti lang yung mga taong pumupunta pero ngayon sobrang
Hindi pa
yes. Thank you. Bali role ko dito si Benj, isa akong rockstar na cameraman ni Vibs, which is played by Joe.
Na yung revelation.
Tapos, yun, hubadero lang ako dito, lagi ako na ako. Hindi kasi ang init, kung mainit yung mga locations namin, biglang uulan, biglang araw ng sobra. Pero happy naman sa set, natatapos naman kami kahit na sobrang cover. Ginagawa.
Gusto ko marinig mamaya kay Direct Derek, yung pagkakatahi niya ng character. Ang ganda-ganda talaga. Ikaw yung parang...
Ako ba?
Hindi, ikaw yung parang naging consensya. Ang ganda na lang kaya ko
sabihin. Sige, oo, baka pakwento na yung buong buo eh.
Okay, next naman I have to apologize, but still a queen. Please welcome Miss Gloria Diaz.
Why apologize?
Ang taas ng energy ko, I said Romero.
I love her.
I know. Kayo ha, judgment pa.
Okay,
Go ahead,
okay.
you.
Okay, what's my role? Is that what you're asking me?
Would you like to read muna after mga viral videos mo sa TikTok and grabe, ang saya-saya ng mga I was watching you with Isabella. Ang dami yung mga nagka-viral na videos.
Ganon? I don't have TikTok yet eh. Anyway, hi everyone. Ang daming faces na hindi ko masyadong kilala. Some I know. You know, some faces are familiar. But many also are new. And I'm glad we're all alive and well. Okay.
Kasi pageant season na naman, kaya naglalalabasan na naman yung mga videos ni Miss Gloria. Winning moments ni Miss Gloria, di ba? How do you feel na parang tuwing season na ganito eh, ikaw lagi, you're everywhere.
Is it? I'm not aware of that, but good. Para akong na-resurrect, parang Lazarus na nabuhay ulit, di ba direct? Diba? Until I'm 90. I'm going to be 74 on April 5.
Wow! Happy birthday!
The birthday ni GMA. Di ba si Presidente GMA?
Kala ko yung network.
Ang saya-saya, no? Ganon. Ang saya-saya, no? Alright. Before...
Okay. What is my role?
Yes! Bukod sa, alam mo.
I am the supportive mother of Jody, and I own a carinderia that serves food and drinks and alcohol, and many of my scenes are there. And I live in a very old house, very kind of nice house, and I think my husband was not a very good man, so I'm always protective of Jody. I always build him up until she found out finally. A small...
She was made to believe na the father is
he was a good person and everything.
Only to find out na wala pa sa will find out.
Yes, and then of course, and I was very excited. The typical mother, the same way I am about my daughters, yung talagang believe, very supportive. Because I was so proud, so happy, kahit sino dyan, oy, alam mo, ang anak ko, reporter yan, ganito, ganyan.
Just like
Yan, very typical.
Oh, typical mom.
Typical mom. And all that. And, kasi with my children, I always say, alam mo, si Beth, ganito, ganyan. And my daughter always says, thanks, mom. I know you're not biased.
lang din siya.
Ganito rin. Very, parang kayang-kaya ko yun, no? To be a supportive mother.
Thank you, Miss Yu.
Thank you.
Before the lead actors, I'd like to hear from Direct Derry. Please.
Hi, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Thank you for coming, guys. Especially po sa lahat po na pumunta. And then, yun po, maraming po salamat sa pag-supporta po ng Untold.
Uy, sumasama sa promotion. Sige, enjoy ka din. Mall show, FanCon, meet and greet.
Cebu nga. Yeah, nag-Cebu kami. Wala, kulitan mo din. Sana ako nakakapagpahinga. Kahit paano.
You get to rest naman when she eats. Anyway, thank you. And of course, ang atat.
Jodie.
Grabe siya. She's into movies talaga nowadays.
The woman in love.
Talaga.
In love with the work.
Thank you, Lala Flores, for the beautiful makeup. Si Miss Lala does her makeup the past days. Miss Jodie Santa Maria! Papayaman ang gusto, may new online shows, kung anong daming she's
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being here this afternoon. Sobrang na-appreciate po namin yung presence po ninyo, yung time na nilaan po ninyo ngayong hapon para makasama po kami dito sa aming munting MediaCon. Kahit hindi talaga muntik kasi sobrang masasabi ko, napaka-well attended. So maraming salamat po sa panahon na ibinigay niyo sa amin ngayong hapon.
Alright, thank you, Mare. Thank you for your energy of promoting this. Mukhang special na special talaga. Untold for you. What's even more exciting kasi is the presence of this guy, a hands-on executive producer, Keith Monteverde. Sir Keith, greet everyone please.
Hello, good afternoon, and yeah, really thank you for coming and supporting Untold. It's always special seeing all of you here at this place. Nothing makes me feel closer to Rico and my grandmother than these events at Valencia, so thank you.
Kasi nung 33 decades ako, ganito parang siguro na they were already attending MediaCon, sa mga OGs, mga Miss Ian Parinia, sa Ian Dondon.
That's true, usually naka-diaper, walang damit. Tumatakbo ng dito.
20 years ago, ilan taon ka na attorney? Sir Keith?
40.
Okay, so 10 years ago. Alright. Feel free to, to answer. May mga questions definitely na sa'yo siguro ma-redirect. But please, we need your mga comments. Who would like to ask the first set of questions? Siguro Ray Pumalo. Ay, Miss Rosel, Ray is present. Halika Ray, join us. Join me here.
Since horror naman yung hi Jodie. Long time. It's from Miss Lola. Tawag dito, since horror naman itong movie ninyo, ano yung biggest horror in your life na hindi nyo panasasabi in any ways, in any time, pero gusto nyo sabihin ngayon, your biggest horror in your life? Parang it is untold, pero pwede nyo sabihin ngayon.
The question is for?
Everyone.
Okay.
The biggest horror.
Can we, siguro yung nakagawa lang ng horror, no? So it's
Yes,
Jodie.
kasi lahat naman tayo ng mga horror na nangyari sa buhay natin.
Personal.
Yes, personal.
The biggest horror na...
In your life.
Okay. Well, siguro we can ask, siguro cute naman yung question for the Gen Z audience natin. Siguro Lian and Sarah can answer that as well. The biggest horror daw na nangyari sa buhay mo. Would you like to share? May gusto kayo share na...
This is a question. This is a question na I feel like kailangan pag-isipan siya ng maigi for me. Pero at the top of my head, medyo nakakasad. The biggest horror event.
Parang ang gulatan naman kasi yun. Kasi horror niya, kaya gulatan din ang tanong.
Kasi when I think of horror, I think of something traumatic.
So gusto mong balikan ka namin, sagutin na muna ng
Hindi, siguro sagutin ko na po ito. O Lian, mag-isip ka na dyan siguro po yung death po ng grandfather ko, ng lolo ko, sa mga
You witness it. When did this happen?
this is so dark. Pero yun po, basta, it was a very traumatic event. I feel like it's one of those things that I should keep personal. Pero dahil na the first one to answer, yun po yung nasa top ng mind. So yun po. Thank you!
Ikaw, Juan, gusto mo nang tanongin, Juan Carlos?
Para sa akin, pinaka-biggest horror yung taping tapos wala pang Eddie Garcia ng low. Pinaka-biggest horror.
Aga.
Taping, tapos wala pang AGM. Ngayon kasi ang ganda na kasi everyone is really working in a really good environment. Pero dati, horror.
Okay. May ganun ba sa live show? Hindi naman, di ba? Taping. Ang show yun. Hindi iwasan ko, pero ako mag-rap din ano. Okay, Lian can answer that. Any horror, something na...
First thing na pumasok sa
Shareable
isip ko,
naman.
Yeah. Siguro, ongoing siya na for me nakakatakot. Or sa mga biggest fear ko na lang din na connected sa horror is, siguro yung takot ko kung ano bang kayang gawin ng isang human, or human nature, kumbaga. Yes. Kasi, I think, parang ano lang yan, same na parang yung sea, yung dagat, marami pa tayo hindi na-discover sa dagat. So same sa human nature or sa atom. Marami pa tayo hindi na-discover na feelings or emotions or mga kaya natin gawin. So I think, yun yung exciting pero nakakatakot din na na pwede mangyari din
May
sa
kapasidad pa tayong gawin.
Yes,
Hindi
hindi
pa
natin alam.
namin.
Yes, for me that's
Makes
it.
sense.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Lian. Joel, matawa ng tawa ba?
Sorry,
Horror na naganap.
Kasi, dito, recent lang na last year, the biggest horror sa akin na nangyari would be waking up na sobrang dami mong tawag, akala mo sa trabaho siya, pero nawala na pala yung daddy ko.
Ayun lang to, Joel.
Very good shoot. Oo. Kailan si daddy? Oo, yun. So, akala ko, hinahanap ko sa taping, sa shooting, yung pala matawag na yung family ko. So, yun yung biggest horror na na-experience ko. Sa buong buhay ko, it's okay. Pero sobrang mabigat siya na nakakatakot na parang kada gigising ka, pag madaming tawag, parang feeling mo na nangyayari siya. So, horror.
Mukhang yun muna. Yun na yun.
Yun na.
Miss you. Dahil kasi masaya, parang wala namang horror na nangyari sa akin.
Wala. I guess, fear or phobia na before my two kids were married, my biggest fear na mabuti sila.
Ay, totoo yan. Yun nga lang, di ba may relasyon, di ba?
You have a boyfriend, married, or something like that. For myself, nothing naman happens on Pero I cannot think of anything.
As a parent, no, yun ang pinaka-fear mo na
Yeah, maybe I think that's my biggest
not for yourself, but for the kids.
Hindi naman ako takot sa lahat.
Kaya
Almost.
Jodes!
Ako siguro, ang dami, iba-iba. Meron kang, syempre yung when my lola passed na wala ako doon. Kasi nasa shoot din ako noon. And then,
When was
I
this,
think,
Maya?
it was in 2012. We were doing Be Careful With My Heart noong time na yun. Na inaabangan niya, but then one day bigla siyang namatay. So, hindi na niya nakita yun ever. And my lola was one of my biggest fans. So, yun. I guess, isa pa sa horror is yung mga injustices na nakikita natin left and right.
In general.
In general. And then, siguro, isa pa sa fear ko, tama si Tita, kapag magulang ka, iniisip mo yung mga maaaring
Nakwento mo sa akin.
sa,
Sorry, please don't. Di ba?
sa anak mo.
Sa anak mo, okay.
Ganyan, oo. So, I think yung mga horrors and fears na meron ako as a person.
Alright. Juan Carlos, yun na yung sagot mo lang. Or
No, pero I feel like
serious na i-compress na sagot.
on a serious note though, I feel like I've gone through a lot, but the biggest horror siguro is didn't happen yet, and it's losing my lola. I feel like that's really, I mean, parang in the back of your head, kasi she's getting old, alam mo yun, so parang, wala. Yun siguro yung nasa ulo.
Lola na sa inyo siya, dad, lola.
Yeah.
Ray, you're good?